Today, I would like to talk about how to build computer. First, we will recommend main accessory for our computer. 1. A motherboard is the main printed circuit board found in the general-purpose microcomputers and other expandable systems. 2. A power supply is an electronic device that supplies electric energy to an electrical load. 3. Random access memory is a form of computer data store. We store data and machine code currently being used. A random access memory device allows data items to be read or written in almost the same amount of time, irrespective of the physical location of data inside the memory. 4. A hard disk drive is a data store device that uses magnetic store to store and retrieve digital information using one or more rigid rapidly rotating disk coated with magnetic material. 5. A graphic card is the price of equipment that renders out all images and sends them to a display. 6. A computer case is the enclosure that contains most of the components of a computer. We will move on to how to build computer. So, let's start with the motherboard or mainboard. We have to put CPU on CPU socket and then put the fan on top for cooling our CPU. After that, we will deal with RAM. We have two RAM, size 4 GB, and we go fill it to the RAM stack place. Finally, the mainboard complete. After we complete with mainboard, we're gonna put the power supply to our case. First, don't forget to put power supply on the socket and lock it with nut. We have to manage the line of power supply for easy to put another accessory. We will compose all accessories in our case. Put the mainboard on socket and don't forget to lock it with nut. And then put the line of power supply on mainboard for connect it. After that, we will put the graphic card on socket of mainboard and lock it with nut again. Last, we put the hard disk to socket and lock. It's same as a power supply. We have to manage the line and then connect it with mainboard socket. Finally, we have our accessory already, and then we close the case with nut and connect the light display, mouse, keyboard, and other for use the computer. In this part is how to install Linux. We use the VirtualBox for install Ubuntu because in our computer have OS window already. First, we wait for homepage of Ubuntu and choose your language and then click install Ubuntu. After that, Ubuntu will show two choices for install. We just click continue and then will show installation type. That's your choice for choose. After you choose, click continue. And then we click new partition table for create new partition and change the size to 2048 and change button use as the swipe area. Click continue. Then the page value. We just choose our country and click continue. Then we have to choose type of our keyboard and click continue. We just write our names and name of our computer, password, and click continue and wait for install. Finally, we will show how to connect internet. We have to connect the landline on our computer and click top button. Choose enable networking. We can use Linux and internet already. Thank you for watching.